Round 1.
And I want to thank Gabriel, my son, for joining me. Ang hirap talaga sumabay sa mga kabataan, but because there are young people like you here,
Okay.
it keeps me energized. Maraming salamat. G-Force, maraming salamat din sa inyo. You guys are awesome.
And of course we have Gabriel here with us. Give a short message to your dad.
Dad, it's been almost 3 years since I've been.
Are you dead? You're dead.
Every time you speak, I always see you and I always look at you. Even if you don't see me, I'm watching you dance. And you are one of the greatest inspirations in my life, and I love you so much. I really do. Happy birthday, Dad. Thank you, son. You know how much I love you. Not just because you're a great talent, but I've really been blessed to have you, Kuya, and your mom as part of my life.
Oh my god.
Please allow me to thank. These are people who are very special to me.
Stop killing Tiger.
My ASAP team, Twist and Shout family, Genesis and GBBI, Genesis
Over.
Universal Records, Doshis here,
Round 2.
My Shining Light and UNICEF families, Studio V, Star Media, all of the sponsors, especially Relief, Globe, Essential, and Guy, store specialists, Lee Jeans, Refill, Converse, Carrera, Bello Medical, and the Bistro Group and Heels. My Facebook and Twitter followers, maraming salamat sa inyo. The fans who are all here, that's all of you. Fans namin, prayer warriors, my family, my dad, my Tito Chiquiting, my mom, Paolo, Gabriel, and Diana. Great blessings to have Angeli, and of course my Lord and my Savior, the one and only, my best friend, Jesus Christ. Also, Mr. M, I want to thank you for what you did for Aswan and Paolo.
Oh my gosh.
Manila for Aswan, the TV special, which is going to be shown tonight right here on ABS-CBN after Twist and Shout.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your guys. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you.
And up next, full circle and W Copa, Grand Champion, Mariel Corpus, Season 7, ASAP
A mystery shampoo that millions have tried and loved.
I like this one. It's smooth and shiny. And the most important, it's standard. Yes!
Our #1 hair care brand in the world.
Really makes my hair
Oh my gosh.
and strong talaga yung hair mo.
What is it? The answer to the mystery is all new Pantene.
Amazing. Halos wala na yung mga tutok-tutok. Now, I don't have to worry about that. I know I have beautiful hair.
Pantene. You try, you decide.
In this corner, the heavyweight champ, the new Colgate 360 Actiflex. Oh, yeah. Look at those moves. I hear he cleans more than just teeth. It takes 80% of bacteria are on teeth. His face moves left, right. It really cleans around and in between teeth. And gums, too. And he goes in with a chicken tongue cleaner. Knocking out more bacteria with a 1-2 punch. Whole mouth is clean. Bacteria down for the count.
Colgate 360 Actiflex. Teeth, tongue, cheeks, and gums for a whole mouth clean. Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
Mahirap magmahal kung may sakit ang puso. Take Synovus Fish Oil every day for a healthier heart. Mag-iisa lang ang puso. Mahalin natin to.
Fish oil is recommended by established international medical societies.
Now, Red gets you